So they come to relax.
Yeah, they come.
Okay,
to
I think
review
this.
Also. Yeah.
Oh, guys, look at this.
Be careful not to slip.
Not to sleep.
Come.
Guys, look at this. This is like something I saw in Benin. It can be slippery if it's wet. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. So we are not fortunate to meet the monkeys, but at least we are getting. Hello, how are you? Sasa? What's your name? Eric, okay. Hi. I hope I will not fall from the... Wow, my goodness. Really, I'm not a fan of heights, to be honest with you. Guys, look at this. Wow, this is beautiful. And you say it's seasonal. Okay, maybe we can pick that part.
Yeah. Be careful there.